Let's do a colostrum milk test with the BRIX Refractometer. First, let's gather all the things that you will need for this test. For this test, we will be using normal milk as we didn't have colostrum available. You will need a refractometer that has been calibrated. This one's already been calibrated. This can be done with some sterile water and the tool that it comes with. Then you will need a pipette that is clean to suck up the milk, some swabs to clean the refractometer after, and some paper towels for any mess that is made. Here we will place a refractometer on top of some paper towels in the case of any milk spillage. We want to avoid any spillage on the refractometer, and this is why it's important to be very careful when sucking up the milk into the pipette. We then carefully place a few drops of milk or colostrum onto the measuring glass on the refractometer. Once complete, we can now carefully place the lid on top of the colostrum being measured. If there's any excess milk, you can always wipe that off with a paper towel. Ideally, you want to be using 1 drop because then this will avoid any colostrum spillage. Once the milk has spread along the measuring glass, we can then take the reading through the optical end of the refractometer. As we can see through the optical lens, we are getting a value of around 10%. This is because we used milk and not colostrum. When we're reading colostrum, we want a BRIX percentage of 22 or above. This means that the colostrum has the right amount of immunoglobulins that will be passed on to the calf through the colostrum. We can now carefully start the cleaning process of the refractometer. As you can see, I used a paper towel to wipe off the milk excess, and now we will use a little bit of water on a soft swab to clean the screen of the refractometer without scratching it. Once clean, I do like to check that we've got all the colostrum fully off. This is what it should look like inside the eyepiece once we've removed all of the milk. We can discard off the colostrum/milk down the sink and dispose of the pipette into the bin. Finally, we can discard of the colostrum milk, put the refractometer back into its case, and dispose of all the paper towels and rubbish into the bin. As we can see on the instructions for use, there is a guide on the percentage colostrum quality, and we can see that anything under 19.9% is considered poor quality. Finally, we are able to record these results into the clinic system and contact our client with the results. Thanks for watching, and that is how you test colostrum using a BRIX refractometer.